Make a great choice today with the 2018 X1. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, touch sensitive controls, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.